almost shed a thug tear. That was beautiful. And that is what you all are here empowering young students just like this. You all are part of a movement. So I'm thankful for that. I actually work with young people a lot. I was just out in Victoria, BC, Canada, and I had a ball out there meeting young people. I was reading an article, this daring story about this little toddler who got like mauled by a coyote, and he survived. He had like over 1,000 stitches. I was like, oh my God, this little kid is tough. And I thought, like, if I was back in the States and I read an article about a little boy, little kids being attacked, it would probably be about R. Kelly. It would probably, it's like 9 out of 10, it's usually, I can't, like literally, it felt so bad when I thought about it, and I was like, actually, well think about it, R. Kelly is the only person who's been terrorizing youth since the late 80s. He's still around. He's essentially Pennywise, the clown from It. I kid you not. And think about it. And he doesn't go to jail. He escapes every time. I don't get it. And literally, he's the Energizer Bunny of statutory rape. It just keeps going and going and going. I'm blocking. I know y'all need to lock that nigga up. Like, come on. Let's get it together. America. Everybody's watching. Everybody's watching. Twitter, everybody's watching. Instagram, right? So like when I'm up there in Canada, you know, isn't Canadians in the room? Yeah! With y'all nice ass. Yes! Canadians are so nice. I was up there and I just love it. They're so polite that they mess up simple things like road rage. How you gonna be mad in the car if you so nice? Passive aggressive traveling. Hey pal, you got somewhere to go? I do too. What? Dude, this is Chicago. We would have been fighting 2 months ago. What the hell? It's the truth. It's the truth. But that's so nice. Like they apologize all the time. Like, you know, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. They apologize all the time. You know, they're like, oh, you're from America, from the States? That Trump guy. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm like, yo, you apologizing? It ain't even your fault. It ain't like you Russian. It is not your fault. Come back down here to LA. So many beautiful people. Like even everybody in this crowd is beautiful. Make some noise for yourself. You look beautiful tonight. You're looking like a free Uber ride. You're looking good. You're looking real good. I like that. And I realize that health is wealth. And it's one of those things that it's easier to maintain than to repair. I realized it was almost time for repairing. The other day I was rushing for work. I was getting ready to do some stuff. And as I'm rushing, I'm running down the stairs. And I hear this distinct sound. I'm running full speed. And it's like, I'm like, what is that sound? And as I'm approaching the last flight of stairs, I start to slow down a little bit. And I can hear the sound. And I realized that my titties was clapping. Felt so betrayed by gravity. Just really let me down. It was like a thick layer of sweat. The sweat was thicker than racial tension in America. It's pretty thick stuff. It is, yo. You gotta get on top of that health thing, yo. And I can get up here and lecture you all, but I want to just echo some gratitude for you all. Thank you all for being here. I learned that gratitude is one of the most important things to feel and to share. And so I want to thank you all for coming out and being a part of this evening. And a big shout out to Jason and Laura for putting this together. Yeah, right? Amazing. Yes. Big shout out to everyone on the board. Brian, Sheila, Sierra, everybody on the ground putting in work. It's amazing. And then there's a lineup, right? It's on fire. Make some noise, right? It's like I'm a part of the Avengers or something. I feel like I'm on the Warriors. It's just a lot of talent, and all I gotta do is a little bit to get everything going. But honestly, I want to echo another small gratitude because y'all have been so nice to me, and y'all been treating me so well. You've been clapping, and this is an organization I really stand behind. It's really saving lives and impacting young people. And you know, I haven't seen this many white people show black guy love since the last episode of Kardashians. So I appreciate y'all. And I'm gonna bring y'all host with the most back. Make some noise for Kay. Y'all have been amazing.